Hi, I'm Alan from Tentworld, and today I'm going to talk about the SPOT Gen 3. So it's very simple to use. Press your power button to turn it on, and then you have a couple of simple buttons around the edge. Your SOS, your most important button. That's your everything's gone horribly wrong, I need help. Open up the cover, hold it down for 5 seconds until light flashes, and then you're good to go. It'll send your information and your location to the emergency response, and they'll get to you as soon as they can. You've got your OK button. That's just press that button and it'll send your location and a pre-recorded message or pre-recorded text message to your friends, family, whoever you've designated, letting them know that you're going fine. You've got the step tracker, which is just your set it and forget it button. That'll update your location with your friends at pre-recorded intervals so that they always know where you are. And then you've got your message button, which just sends a message saying everything's fine or I'm having dinner for the night, as well as your location, so everyone can keep track of where you are and be a little bit jealous of what you're doing. And then you've got your help button, and that's just, I'm not in any immediate danger, but I do need help getting out of here. So it works the same as your SOS button. Press and hold it for 5 seconds and your friends will come and get you. So, with any of these buttons, if you decide that you've made a mistake and accidentally pressed them, you can long press on them again to cancel it before it finishes sending. And for best results, always leave it on the outside of your pack, because it works best when it has direct line of sight to the sky. And if you have any more questions, feel free to come into any of our locations and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks.